Did you know your credit card points can lose value to inflation? Credit card companies often reduce the redemption value of your points and miles. Now, imagine a credit card with rewards that can grow in value. With the Gemini Credit Card, you can earn Bitcoin or one of over 50 other cryptos instantly with no annual fee. Every swipe at the store or gas pump earns you instant rewards deposited straight to your account. Plus, sign up now for a $200 Bitcoin bonus to kickstart your rewards. Visit Gemini.com/card today. Check out the link in the description for more information on rates and fees. Again, if you're looking to invest in Bitcoin but don't know where to start, the Gemini Credit Card makes it easy. If you've shopped online, chances are you've bought from a business powered by Shopify. You know that purple Shop Pay button you see at checkout, the one that makes buying so incredibly easy? That's Shopify. And there's a reason so many businesses sell with it, because Shopify makes it incredibly easy to start and run your business. Shopify is the commerce powerhouse behind 10% of all the e-commerce in the US, from household names like Mattel and Gymshark to brands just getting started. So get your own brand online with hundreds of beautiful, ready-to-go templates, and forget about the coding. Tackle your tasks in one place, from inventory to payments to analytics, and get the word out with built-in marketing and email tools to find and keep new customers. That purple Shop Pay button that's used by millions of businesses around the world is just one reason Shopify has the best converting checkout on the planet. If you want to see less carts being abandoned, it's time for you to head over to Shopify. Sign up for your $1 per month trial and start selling today at shopify.com/DCR. Go to shopify.com/DCR. That's shopify.com/DCR. It's 8 a.m. Eastern, October 29th, and this is your daily crypto report. Bitcoin is up slightly at $113,132. ETH is up slightly at $4,014. BNB is up slightly at $1,114. Western Union plans to launch a stablecoin called USDPT on the Solana blockchain in early 2026, expanding its push into digital assets. The token will be issued by Anchorage Digital Bank and integrated into a new digital asset network that lets users send, receive, spend, and hold USDPT within Western Union's compliance framework. The announcement follows Q3 results showing digital wallets and account-based payouts now make up over half of the company's digital transactions. CEO Devin McGranahan said the move builds on years of blockchain experiments, including work with Ripple, and was partly inspired by the U.S. Genius Act promoting digital asset innovation. Bitcoin is steady around $113,000 ahead of the Federal Reserve's policy decision and Chair Jerome Powell's remarks. Analysts see resistance near $117,000 and support around $111,000. ETF inflows remain positive, with Bitcoin and Ethereum products adding a combined $448 million, though institutional demand remains moderate. Markets expect a 25 basis point rate cut, but volatility will hinge on Powell's guidance. Analysts warn that low liquidity and high options open interest could amplify price swings. Broader sentiment is cautious amid weak U.S. labor data and renewed U.S.-China trade talks. Grayscale has launched the Grayscale Solana Trust ETF, ticker GSOL, converting its earlier closed-end fund into an ETF that includes staking. The move makes Grayscale one of the largest Solana ETP managers in the U.S. Grayscale said the new Solana ETF reinforces its view that digital assets belong in modern investment portfolios alongside equities and bonds. Industry leaders noted that Solana staking ETFs let investors both earn rewards and support network security while gaining exposure to one of crypto's fastest growing ecosystems. Visa will add support for 4 stablecoins across 4 blockchains, covering 2 fiat currencies and enabling conversion into more than 25 traditional currencies, CEO Ryan McInerney said during the company's Q4 earnings call. Stablecoin linked Visa card spending rose 4-fold from last year, reflecting growing use of digital assets for payments. The firm now runs over 130 stablecoin-linked card programs across 40 countries and is also enabling banks to mint and burn their own stablecoins. The move builds on Visa's cross-border payments pilot and comes as U.S. regulation around dollar-pegged tokens brings more institutional confidence to the sector. And finally, an early Ethereum investor who bought 20,000 ETH during the 2014 ICO has moved 1,500 ETH, worth around $6 million, to Kraken after nearly 8 years of inactivity. That's all for us today. Visit us at dailycryptoreport.io and listen to us everywhere else you podcast under Daily Crypto Report.
What does it mean to live for the common good? Introducing the Garrison Institute presents The Common Good, the brand new podcast from the Garrison Institute, a leading not-for-profit organization exploring the intersection of contemplation and engaged action in the world. Hosted by me, Jonathan F.P. Rose, a co-founder of the Garrison Institute, the series dives into the threads that bind us all. First, you'll discover the interdependent nature of life with environmental entrepreneur Paul Hawken and trailblazing plant intelligence researcher Monica Gagliano. Next, we unlock the mysteries of the mind with renowned psychiatrist Dan Siegel and Pulitzer Prize-winning author Siddhartha Mukherjee. Finally, we experience compassion and action with social justice activist Conda Mason and environmental leader Bill McKibben. We invite you to listen, reflect, and join us in acting for the common good. Follow the Garrison Institute Presents The Common Good on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you are listening now.
The town of Milton may seem normal at first glance, but the shadows are cursed and the expansive woods surrounding town are forbidden. They call it the Void, and nobody comes back alive.
You're headed straight for the Void!
Milton lives suspended in time, trapped by a darkness that seems to be creeping closer and closer.
It's safe. The Void is kept at bay.
Is it though? Join three friends as they embark on an epic journey into the heart of darkness. The Void, wherever you get your podcasts.
This is just the beginning.